Okay, today the Pulley Lab. Make sure each of you get one of the sheets. As you see, you need to build 4 pulley systems, determine the effort it takes to lift the resistance of 250 grams, calculate the actual mechanical advantage, and using this string counting technique we just went over, figure out the ideal mechanical advantage. You have 2 different length strings for systems 1 and 2. You use the shorter string, which has a red end, and for the other 2, 3 and 4, you use the longer string, which has a green end. So all you do is you simply say, okay, pulley system 1, you look at your diagram, that's just a single fixed pulley. Pulley system 2, that's a single movable pulley attached to a single fixed pulley. So let's just look at how we do that. So we have our single fixed pulley. Our resistance is always going to be 250 grams. We'll have our movable pulley attached to that because that'll move along with the resistance. And then all we do is we just get our string. In this case, it's the shorter string. And by looking at the diagram, we see that the string is attached to the bottom of the single movable pulley. So we hook it on, wrap it down around and up and over, and then hang our effort hook on there. So let me show you how you do that. So we start by hooking it on right up here. We take it down and it goes around and under this one. Let's just get that adjusted. There we go. So it goes down, around and under that. There we go. Put that back on. And then it very simply just goes back, up, and over this one. And check and make sure the strings are in the grooves. And then we put our effort force on there. And so that's what we're looking at. So you set your pulley up, then you find the minimum weight it takes to balance those two. So by putting weights on there, you can test and see. Try not to let things go flying or you'll have to redo your entire setup. You then keep working at it till you find the minimum weight it takes. So when you set those two even, that they balance out. And then you would add that up. Don't forget the weight of the weight hanger. So you put the effort force in there, then you calculate the actual mechanical advantage by the resistance force divided by the effort force, and then you use the string counting technique. Please remember, in the string counting technique, you only count the supporting ropes. As in this one, there may be 3 strings going across, but only 2 of them are supporting the weight. This one is simply changing the direction of the force. This string is not supporting the actual resistance. So your ideal mechanical advantage would be 2. Now you'll notice your mechanical advantages aren't going to be the same because we have friction. You can hear the squeaking. And there's also the weights of the pulleys involved. So ideally, pulley system should have a higher mechanical advantage. The actual mechanical advantage is, well, going to be lower. If you get everything done and you want more, you can go get the 220 centimeter string, design, build, and show me a pulley system with a mechanical advantage of 5. Just come up front. The longer strings are right up here, and I'll give you one of those. All right, good luck.